Hello everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with my design team haul for Country Craft Creations. So, I have the new Doodlebug, Snow Much Fun, and a couple of other fun little things. So let's get into it. I also have their, oh my gosh, what do you call it? Country Craft Creations has some new 100-pound black artisan cardstock and some 65-pound white artisan, like for matting, that I will also be getting, I think, tomorrow. So I'm going to play with it a little bit, and I will try and record and show that to you guys as well. So for the papers, I did get 2 each of the various prints. And if you've watched my hopefully fixed Doodlebug design team haul video, I went through these papers, of course, in more detail, but I love that paper. I've totally lost my train of thought. Oh, so you've seen these papers already. And so I'm not going to get too in detail with these, but of course all of the collection for Snow Much Fun is available at Country Craft Creations. I will link it in the video description. I love that plaid. I love the borders. There's just everything about it. It's just amazing. So, and the color palette. I love the color palette. So in addition to that, I did get some of the coordinating solids, and these have the stickers on them with the names. So this is Wisteria. Because they're solid cardstock, there's many other colors other than like their core colors. So I don't always know the names of these. Bubble Blue, which this is one of the core colors. Lilac, which is another one of the core colors. And Sea Glass, which is one of the supplemental colors for the solid cardstock. So got all of that, and I got other stuff that I don't normally get, so we're going to go through this. First up, I have the Mix and Match Snowmen. So there are 12 reversible snowmen and 36 reversible accessories. I have never seen these before. And then on the back, you've even got a cute little snowflake print on the back. So I have got snowmen here. I've got all their little accessories. Oh, okay, I get it. So on this side, purple and teal, and on this side, blue and a different teal. These are so cute. How have I never gotten these before? Oh my gosh. Look at his little snowflake hat. That's adorable. Oh, these are so cute. How have I never gotten these before? Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to use these on something, and I don't even know what yet. Oh, look at him, little three-layer snowman. So those are super cute. I love how they've got like the patterns on some of the little scarves and things. Those are really fun. I'm looking forward to working with those. Haven't seen that one before. So I also have the Doodlebug Essentials Kit for Snow Much Fun. And these are always these are fun. Like, I think what I will do with these, just to kind of keep it simple, because you've got, well, let's go through it first. So we've got a Doodle Pop. So this is not one of the current Doodle Pops. You've got their little ribbons like this, which about the only place you can get these ribbons anymore is in like these bundles like this. I have tons of these little spools of ribbon. There's about 2 yards a piece on here, and they're amazing. They are absolutely amazing. Same thing with the boutique buttons. So I have a whole assortment of these because I've been collecting them for years and years and years. But the only place really that you can get these anymore is in these essentials kits. We've got the icon sheet from Snow Much Fun. So we've got, of course, our little Yeti. We've got our snowman. Got the Yeti taking the selfie with the snowman. Just super cute images there. We have a Just My Type alphabet sticker sheet, and these are some bigger stickers. These are about 1.25 inches high, and that is double-sided, so there's lots and lots of stickers there, both upper and lowercase. Okay, so we've got lower and uppercase, so plenty of stickers. And then you get an assortment of the papers. So we have this one, the Snow Day, that's got the purple polka dots on the back, which I love. Frozen Flurry, which is snowflakes, and then the cut-aparts. Cold Streak, which is, of course, our stripe with our list cut-aparts on the back. The most gorgeous Doodlebug paper ever. Wintry Woods with tone-on-tone blue snowflakes on the back. We have All Bundled Up, which is, of course, your border strips, and you've got that adorable purple plaid on the back, and then Snow Much Fun with the blue dots on the back, and of course your little collage sheet here. So I will come up with something for these. I haven't decided what yet, but I will do something using just this kit, okay? Just to kind of show you what your options are, okay? Well, this kit, and of course I'm going to supplement with some plain cardstock, but that's like understood, right? Right? Or am I crazy? I don't know. It's been a long day. That's all I'm going to say. And then I also got the Winter Wonderland Value Bundle. And since this is just kind of split open on the side here from shipping, I am just going to slide things out the side just like this. So these are, like it says, an $88 value. There's a lot in here, like a lot. You guys are going to be really impressed. Okay. And the value bundles, I want to say, are usually $39. I'm not positive, but you get a lot of stuff in here. You get these little Jellishments, again, an older ephemera thing that Doodlebug used to do. This is the only way you're going to get these is in these bundles. You've got another gingham ribbon. You've got this super cute little polar bear doodle pop. We've got tokens, again, another one of their older ephemera things, and again, that's just the genius of Doodlebug, where it all matches. Like, these are from, oh my gosh, 2003. So these have been around for a long, long time. They match the newer stuff. They match the current stuff. That's what's just amazing. Headlines, cardstock stickers, so the little Let It Snow title. We've got a snowman here. We've got buttons. This is the Frosty assortment. And again, it matches here. It matches the new stuff. It's very, very, very cool. Oh, I don't have these. Asterisk sequins. So it's another one of those things. Doodlebug used to do a lot of sequin mixes. I have an obscene amount of them. I have never seen this one. So this is the Whimsical Winter Assortment. And again, it goes with everything. Everything they make, it will go together. We've got Rick Rack, which in Bubble Blue, which is super cute. I haven't seen that before. I don't think I have any of that, surprisingly. We have the Silk Flowers, and again, this is the only way you're going to get some of these little embellishment pieces, and they go with everything. We have got rub-ons, and rub-ons are something that was really, really popular a few years ago, and it's kind of started coming back, like I know Simple Stories did rub-ons with their last couple of collections. So we'll do something cool with these. I have a couple of ideas. We also have the Mix and Match Snowflakes, which these are so cute. And I did actually order myself a set of these, so now I have two. 12 reversible snowflakes, 8 reversible accessories. So again, we've got our little snowflake pattern paper on the back. We've got our snowflakes that just pop out of these little sheets. They are double-sided. So if you were using, depending on what you were using them on, if you wanted to make little ornaments out of these, you absolutely could, or little gift tags out of these, because they're, you know, colored on both sides. And then they've got all their little accessory pieces, and those are just so cute and so fun. Oh my gosh, I love it. I didn't know those were in there. We have Ice Blossoms washi tape, which again, we've got the blues and the purples and the teals and some pink in this one. We've got another Just My Type alphabet, and we have got, this is the Winter Wonderland, I believe. Hold on. Yes. Okay. Winter Wonderland icon stickers. So this was their last winter collection prior to Snow Much Fun. And I have a whole bunch of this hoarded that I can't bring myself to cut into because it's gorgeous. but I might have to now because, you know, I've got other snowflake paper that's just as cute, and I love it. This one had the more of the pinks in there than just the blues and the purples, so that's kind of where your main difference is. We've got our snowmen are a little bit different. We've got some other little animals and things in here. We've got the little moose in here. We've got the little owl. Our Yeti is a little bit different, actually. So, let me see here. I'm going to hold with my normal icons. Okay, so here's our new Yeti. Here's our older Yeti. So, you know, you got options here. They're cute. And they all match. So, literally, you can put both of these together. Okay. And then again, that same alpha sticker. We have got odds and ends snowflakes. So, this one has acetate snowflakes in it. I cannot even tell you. I probably have 6 of these packs hoarded because I loved those acetate snowflakes. I've used them on a couple of projects, but not very many. 145 pieces. So you have acetate ones and you have cardstock ones. I'm not going to take them out of the package because I don't want to lose them and get them mixed in with other stuff. We also have the Winter Wonderland Chit Chat. So you've got all sorts of cute little pieces and parts here, like always, because it's the Chit Chat, and Chit Chat is awesome. All right, papers in this little value bundle. You've got Winter Wonderland with a snowflake on this side, and then you've got your super cute borders on this side, and they are totally different than the one in the new collection. So there you go. We have a Candy Dots sugar-coated cardstock. So this is glittery, which there you go, you can kind of see it on camera. This was the other thing about the Winter Wonderland collection that was just amazing. They did glitter papers. So these snowflakes are glittery. I mean, hello, come on. I love this one. And this is why I have a whole bunch of it hoarded. We've got our little Yetis and a gray and white tone on tone that you could actually go in and color these in if you wanted to. Got a blue snowflake, and we've got our bigger blues and pinks and purples. We have another glitter cardstock. What is this one? Swimming pool polka dot sugar-coated cardstock. So we've got another glittery one there. We have petite prints in the new Candy Stripe and Sprinkles in bubblegum. We've got another one of the glittery Winter Wonderland papers right here. There you go. You can see little glittery snowflakes. And it's a tone on the back. Whoops. And then we've got a sticker, this and that sticker sheet from Polar Pals, which was an even further back winter collection that was more of the purples and blues, like the newer one. So there you go. And again, you've got your little animals are totally different on here. And this is the older style of the this and that sticker sheets. So it's a little bit different layout than what, if you're newer to Doodlebug, you're probably used to seeing. So there you go. That is in the value bundle that I also received in my design team package from Country Craft Creations. So I have gingerbread kisses to finish up, hopefully this weekend, because it's just been kind of a struggle this season, more so than usual, and I'm taking a break at work and for the week, next week, and hopefully we'll be back in the swing of things. So there we go. Links for all of this will be in the description below, and as always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the ring the bell to get notifications when I post new videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.